Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. This is the last memory verse in the series of Look to Him. And we're doing Micah 7 verse 7. But as for me, I will look to the Lord. I will wait for God of my salvation. My God will hear me. And that's a beautiful verse. So you can put that behind the daily section. You can concentrate on that for the next 7 days. Your old daily verse, you can move into the even section. So you're going to memorize or revise that every second day on the even days of the week. Your old even verse, you can move into the odd days. So you can also revise that on the odd days, like the 5th and the 9th and so forth. And your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I think last time we did Wednesday, so I'm going to put it behind Thursday. So the Thursday verse, I'm going to move into the monthly section. I'm just going to go anywhere. I think there is not so many, but as I said many times, I have done many verses. So behind each section, there is a fair amount of verses. So I'm just going to put it here behind the 16. So it doesn't really matter. You can also choose. So yeah, I hope it's going to be a blessed week for you. Tomorrow, I am going to take my book and I'm going to write my address there and start practicing it as I've done last week. So yeah, might be a very, very great week.